And we're back here at the Municipal Hall. Pagod, ganito na pumili. Papasalamat of course kami. Kay Mayor Regis Mati PK. Nagtitubutan kami niya ng mga magkamayagay ng Great Idol Competition na dinili ang munisipyo Municipal Hall. At this point in time mga kaibigan, ikahatag lang tamo na iyo ang atong last batch. Sa kundi, I'm sure na talagang mainit ng ating semi-final rounds ng Music and Dance Idol Contest. Kaya huwag na natin pagkagaling mga kaibigan, ibigay na po natin ang ating sunod na semi-finalist. Ipapakilala sa pamamagitan ng ating VTR.
Hi, I'm Jason Sibaba. Salamat po, especially ng audience, kailangan bigyan mo ng another chance, especially
Last chance na po ang susunod.
Sa akin sabi, ako po yung kaya yung semi-finals, sa naman, ang kanina, ang kulang na lang, sa naman po yung push, but still, yung sabi, mas kakain pa. Push ko pala ang performance, na makapot ang finals.
Ladies and gentlemen, our next semi-finalist came all the way from Caligara, Leyte. He's going to sing for us In Your Eyes. We have here 20 years old, Sean Ba.
I think I'm falling on you. I can see on your smile. I think that I can show you that what we have is still worthwhile. Don't you know that love just like a flame that keeps on rolling, but then through it all, our love will still be there. In your eyes, I can see my dreams reflections. In your eyes, I found the answers to my questions. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why I'm yours. Oh, now, in your eyes, could you please take me back to shore? And I think I'll finally learn to love you more. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why I love. Oh, now you and I. Could you please take me back to shore? And I think I'll finally
You
learn
feel it? I feel it.
to love you.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was our semi-finalist from Caligara, Leyte. That was Sean Ba. John, tatanungin natin ang ating wala kung ano ang kanilang masasabi with regards to your performance. Unahin natin, wala iba, kundi si Dr. Steven Navarro. Sir, please.
Hi, Sean.
Hello, Pastor.
Well, you have a nice voice. I like that vocal counter. I like the vocal quality that I listen to.